Welcome everybody to this video in which we are going to add XeSS, FSR, DLSS 4.5, FSR4, FSR3, even XeSS upscaler to Expedition 33. So in this tutorial we are going to use OptiScaler to add those. So before we begin, we have to say thank you for OptiScaler developer. The first thing we have to do is downloading the mod. The mod is going to be in my new website. I hope you check my website. It's a new website, no ads here. Just click here and download. And by downloading, you are going to support me also if you subscribe to the channel. So after you download the mod, you have to extract the file. It will become a WinRAR. It's easy, just extract. After that, get all of those. Go to your Expedition 33 game file location, go to Central, then binaries, then Windows 64, and here just paste the OptiScaler files. Then go to Setup Windows, double click it, run this, choose the first one, the XGI, then enter. Here choose 2 if you have NVIDIA GPU, choose 1 if you have Intel or AMD GPU. For me, I have RTX 3060, so 2, and just click enter. Now run your Expedition 33. After launching the game, this will be appear right here. If this appeared, it means your OptiScaler is working. Now we are in the game menu. What you have to do is go to settings and then go here. You have to enable DLSS. Even if you have a not supported GPU for DLSS, you can enable DLSS in the game menu with OptiScaler. If you can't enable DLSS, just go to your game folder location, then go to Central again, Windows 64 or Win64, and here go to DLSS overrides. Make sure to disable signature override. If it doesn't work, enable it again, check the game and close the game and disable again and check if you can enable DLSS. I think it will work for the most of people, but we are just saying. After you enable DLSS, open the OptiScaler menu. It will be like this. Enable render presets override if you want to override your presets directly from OptiScaler, and here in the frame generation section, choose DLSSG via Streamline. So we are going to use the inputs from DLSS FG that comes with the game and replace it with XeSS FG or FSR FG if you want. For me, I'm going to use XeSS FG because I like it. Here, click save and then close your game or restart your game. After the restart, click Insert key to open OptiScaler menu and here activate the frame generation and save. But another thing you have to do is go into settings, then graphics, and here you have to enable the frame generation. You can now enable the NVIDIA frame generation and OptiScaler will replace it with the XeSS or FSR FG. So you can enable only X2 and here apply. And as you can see, now it says that it's on, but you have to restart your game for the last time. Make sure to save again and restart your game. After restarting your game, the FG will be working directly. As you can see, we are going from 40 frames to 60 frames. Of course, I have 3060 and I am using a 4K monitor, but you get the idea. It's working. And the other thing you are going to get with OptiScaler is the ability to change your presets of DLSS directly. As you can see, I can directly go to presets M. Even you can use DLSS 4 with NVIDIA GPU or of course AMD GPU. So everyone, I hope you like this video. If you have a game that you want to add any mod or any frame generation, I hope you just tell me in the comments. I am going to be the first one I make a video for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.